MrBeast is the king of YouTube today. He has billions of views, but his journey started with a very lonely obsession. His real name is actually Jimmy Donaldson. By the way, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The Jimmy was born in 1998 in Kansas, USA. His parents were in the military. They moved to many different cities very often. Jimmy felt like a stranger in every new house. His parents divorced when he was only 9 years old. This was very hard. The young child found a friend in a screen. He started his first YouTube channel at age 13. He was very quiet and shy. He played video games like Minecraft for hours alone. But at age 15, a terrible tragedy hit his young life very suddenly. Jimmy was diagnosed with Crohn's disease, a painful illness. He lost 50 pounds in a very short time. He felt very weak. The young boy loved playing baseball very much, but his illness ended his sports dream forever. He was stuck at home in pain. He turned all his energy to YouTube videos now. He became unhealthily obsessed with the internet. He studied every single video for hours. Jimmy finished high school and went to university. But he stayed only for 2 weeks. He dropped out to follow his big dream. His mother was very angry with his decision. She kicked him out of the house. Jimmy was now alone with his old laptop. The young man lived in a small apartment. He spent 5 years studying the YouTube algorithm non-stop. He woke up and worked always. He did not have a normal social life. He did not have a girlfriend or many friends. The screen was his entire world. He finally went viral by counting to 100,000. This video took 40 hours to film. It showed his extreme and scary level of focus. The world started to watch the strange boy. He started to earn money, but he gave it all away. He wanted to be perfect, but this perfection came with a high price. Jimmy was not a person anymore. He was a machine for the YouTube algorithm. He started to feel the pressure of the world. Millions of children were watching his every move. He could not make any mistakes. The boy who wanted to be famous was now a prisoner. He was a prisoner of his own massive success and great fame. Jimmy's videos became much bigger and more expensive now. He started giving away millions of dollars to total strangers in the street. The young man wanted to change the world with his camera. He helped 1,000 blind people see for the very first time. He also helped 1,000 deaf people hear their families' voices. These videos brought many tears to people all around the world, but the world started to ask difficult questions about his heart. Some people said he used poor people for more views and money. This criticism was a heavy weight on Jimmy's tired shoulders. He said he only wanted to do good things with his wealth. The star spent every dollar on his next big project. He often had no money in his own bank account for himself. He built a massive studio with hundreds of hard workers. This company became a giant factory of entertainment for the modern world. Jimmy worked 20 hours a day to stay at the top. He forgot how to have fun like a normal young person. His friends were also his employees on the YouTube channel. The lines between work and real life became very blurry for him. The pressure to be the best was a silent monster. The world only saw the money, but Jimmy felt the deep stress. He led global projects to plant millions of new trees. He also cleaned the oceans from tons of plastic and trash. The world looked at him as a modern hero now, but the cost of this hero life was very high for Jimmy. He could not go to a restaurant like normal people. Crowds of fans followed him everywhere he went in the city. The star felt lonely in the middle of the crowd. He lived in his office to avoid the noisy outside world. He missed the simple days of playing games in his room. The boy was now the boss of a billion-dollar empire. The machine needed more content and more views every day. Jimmy was the fuel for this machine, and he was burning out. He started to lose his sense of reality and simple peace. He was the most famous man, but he was very alone. The billionaire lived in a very small and simple house. He did not care about luxury cars or expensive gold watches. He only cared about the next video being the best one. This perfection was starting to break his mind and his spirit. The year 2024 was a very difficult time for Jimmy Donaldson. The world started to see dark clouds over his bright YouTube kingdom. One of his oldest friends, Ava Chris Tyson, faced very serious allegations. She was accused of sending inappropriate messages to a young child. Jimmy felt very disgusted and shocked by this news immediately. He fired his longtime collaborator and started a very big internal investigation. A famous law firm checked millions of private company documents. The lawyers interviewed many current and former employees of the YouTube star. The investigation found some cases of workplace harassment and misconduct. Jimmy decided to fire several workers to fix the company culture. But the problems did not end with the employee firings. A new game show called Beast Games brought even more serious trouble. 5 unnamed contestants filed a class action lawsuit in a California court. They claimed the production environment was very unsafe and very unhealthy. The contestants did not have regular access to food or water. Some people said they did not receive their necessary medical care often. They also said the production crew did not allow enough sleep. The lawsuit mentioned a culture of sexism against the female participants too. The production team allegedly misrepresented the number of people in the game. 2,000 people were competing for a single grand prize instead. This made the chance of winning much lower for everyone. The players felt exploited and used for the sake of entertainment only. Jimmy had to hire many expensive lawyers to handle the situation. He said he could not talk about the legal case publicly. Another problem started with his new food product called Lunchly. Some customers found mold in the cheese of the food boxes. The internet was very angry about this poor quality control. Jimmy's image as a perfect and honest creator was now hurting badly. Critics said his videos were just poverty porn for more views. They argued that he only helped people to make more money. This was a very dark time for the young billionaire. The hero of the children was now at the center of scandals. Jimmy tried to change his company and make it more corporate. He hired new leaders to manage the behavior of his staff. But the pressure of being a perfect role model was gone. He was now a human being with many flaws and many enemies. It is now late 2025. Jimmy Donaldson has more than 450 million subscribers on YouTube. He is the most powerful creator in the entire history of the world. But the crown on his head feels much heavier than before. He spent the last year fighting legal battles and fixing his company's name. The world knows that he is a billionaire now, but Jimmy still lives a very simple and quiet life in his office. He recently asked the woman he loves, Thea Buisen, to marry him. This was a rare moment of real human happiness for him. But the camera is always there, waiting for the next big stunt. He still risks his life and his health for every new video. Critics still watch his every move with very sharp eyes. Jimmy knows that one small mistake can destroy 10 years of hard work. He continues to help millions of people with clean water and food. He wants to leave a positive mark on this small planet. His story shows us the true price of being the best. It is a life without much sleep, peace, or normal friends. The boy who counted to 100,000 is now a global legend. He has all the money, but he only wants to be understood. Remember that behind the millions of dollars, there is just a man. Be kind to everyone, because even the richest man carries a heavy heart.